everybody's. Last time we had a small
Popular
session.
demand. Popular demand.
Popular demand. We requested Venkatji to come again and try to do some practical way of what resources are available to us, not and which can suit different body, different age, different circumstances, different environment. He has a lot to offer, obviously, but time is always a constant. So he's going to focus on few things, and then we'll start working on some of the Kriya, yoga. I think I'll leave it for him to say. Not say too much. And
Yes, I can hear you.
So I concentrate on, because most of the senior citizens, diabetes, constipation, hypertension, arthritis, fat, obese, of course sinus,
diabetes, maybe.
sinus, and what is general you can suggest me so that I can focus. General to specific. Okay.
People's knees.
Knee pains,
That
yes,
is
joint,
arthritis.
knee pains, and
And thyroid.
thyroid, okay.
I think list is increasing.
Okay, you are welcome to suggest.
We will go tomorrow morning.
Not enough stamina, okay. Nice.
Yeah.
Not
Energy.
not enough stamina, okay. Right? Because full energy, nil allergy. Full flow, nil flow. What flow? Energy flow. Air flow, water flow, all that. Okay, that way discuss. Forgot you, Archana? Archana, right. Okay. What you are doing, what Devendra Saab tells, what you are practicing to that get a relief. Can you just show us?
Demonstrate.
Demonstrate. Yeah, please come here. Please come here. Please come
Go
here.
demonstrate.
Please come here. Maybe with a clap. Come on, come on. What you are doing? What were you doing? One step. Only one?
Yeah, 1 and 2. That's it.
What is second one?
This one, right?
Do that one. Okay. Then what you call jogging slipping. It's called
Yes.
jogging slipping. Only one? That's all. Without you got relief. Only with this you are getting relief.
No,
Yeah.
I put, my son's
Okay.
Headphone.
that he had earphone,
Yeah.
that spin. I put,
Chitka. Chitka.
શરૂઆતમાં તો પેલું એ કરું છું ને આપણે
pranayam. That's
પેલું
Kapalbhati.
કપાલભાતિ.
But how many count?
100.
Many count. Then did you
That
do
time
Vaidauti?
Huh?
Vaidauti. Exhaling totally.
Yeah.
Because you get heat.
That's what
Heat
I
must
did.
go out. Very good. That's good. Okay, sit down. Right. Okay. Right. So these are the main issues. And Dolly wanted to say something? Nothing? Anybody else started? Namrata, have started something?
I did the pranayam that you showed.
Yeah. What was that? Which you liked most?
The same one.
That's all?
Yeah, that's all I did. Yeah.
Huh?
And then
Anulom Vilom.
No,
I
not
do
the
Anulom.
Not Anulom.
Yeah,
Anapanasati.
but what you showed, I did this.
Buddhist method. Okay. Anyone else?
I didn't get a chance to
Kamboli
practice.
Saab?
I didn't get a chance to
Honestly. Yoga
I
benefits.
wasn't here,
Okay.
so-
All right. Okay. So these general problems, health problems we address. And before that, shall we make a beginning with the beginnings are there, certain beginnings. Okay. We cannot straight away get into pranayama, but there are certain beginnings, basic. Will you? Senior citizen, don't worry, sit in the chair. Kurchi pranayama bataiye. Alright? Kurchi pranayama. What makes
Senior
difference?
citizen बोलोगे तो सब खड़े हो जाएंगे. It's a very good idea.
Huh?
See, if you say senior citizen, they all will get up.
They are young, okay, everybody is young. Okay, all right. Okay. Come on, raise your hands. Because here we got complete energy, full energy.
So we get up, no?
Leadership.
We get up and do it?
Yeah, you can. Yes.
વિવેક બારણું બંધ રાખ ને જીવડા જવા.
Very nice. Ready to fight. Okay, nice. Very nice. Down. Very good. Up. Down. down, up, down, up, down. So when you go up, breathe in. Down, breathe out. That's the rhythm. Rechaka, Puraka, Kumbhaka. Okay? Breathing out, breathing in. Kumbhaka means holding. That's all. Simple. Okay? Come breathe in. Come on. Up. Very good. Down, up, down. So when you are breathing in, apply force to the hands totally. Complete. This is called mind breathing. Complete and apply force to the complete, hands and fingers and the legs too. Totally. When you go up, raise, complete. Not just mechanically. No. Okay? Complete raising. Come on, once again. Come on. Complete. Apply force and go slow. Dead slow. Very good. Come on, down. So when you go up, our focus must be abdomen. Abdomen must be pressed, like a balloon. As you press more, we get more. Okay? The abdomen has 70,000 nerves. Navel, Manipura chakra. It is the most important, through which we get the nourishment from the mother's womb. Okay? So when you breathe out, apply force to the abdomen. Through mind. Okay? When you breathe in, complete blowing. Very good. And the toes, come on down. Very good. Okay? So when you breathe in, apply force. Yeah.
I have a question. I have some intestinal surgeries. I had diverticulitis.
You can sit down too.
So should I be doing that?
Don't force the abdomen. No, just normal breathing. That's all.
Okay.
Don't
so
apply
don't
force.
not-
Don't apply force.
Okay.
That's relax. Don't apply force. Okay?
Thank
Right, don't worry. Come on, ready? Come on. And take the full oxygen of New Jersey. Be selfish. Complete New Jersey to me. Where are you, Anna? Very nice. Can you walk? Let's see your movements. I think Bhauti can fly in the air. On the toes. Let me help everybody.
I'm telling you. Bachane se kuch kare nahi. Author.
If you can walk, I can understand how do you lift yourself. Very good. Nice. Okay, go back. So now we'll make a rhythm. We call it digital pranayama. Alright? In a modern language. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. ठीक है ना? Alright? Shall we see?
Digital हो गया.
What do we do? Okay. Right? Come on. This is 1. Breathing in. This is 2. Okay. This is 1. Come on. 2. 1 breathing in. 1 breathing in. 2 breathe out. Force. When you breathe out, compress the abdomen. That you never forget. Otherwise no use. Okay? 1. Okay? Come on. Once again. So every item do 10 times. 10, alright? 10 times. 10 count. Okay? Come once again. Yes. Yeah. Okay? Alright? Come on. Yes. Come on. Come on, 1. Apply force totally. That's right. Pull the cloud. Wait. Come on, once again. Up. That. Come on. Apply force. ठीक है? Very good. Once again. Come on. All together. Compressing. So 1, 2, 3, 4 शुरू कर देंगे. Okay, ठीक है? So this is 1 and 2. When I say 1, breathing in. 2, breathe out. Okay? Come on, 1. Good. 2. Very good. 1, 2. Good. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. This is 1, 2. Second thing is up. That means I am addressing horizontal and vertical. Very simple. Horizontal, vertical and lateral. That's all. Very simple. Horizontal, vertical and lateral. That's all. 3 things. Okay? Once again. Come on. 1, 2. Very good. Apply force. 1, 2. Good. 3, 4. जोर से बोलना. जोर से. Okay. Once again. 3, 4. Apply force. 3, 4, more air. Very good. Very good. जोर से. जोर से. Oh, let me see, go fast. 3 things. Start. 3 things. Slow, medium, fast. Slow, medium, fast. Like gears. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again coming down. Okay? Come on. Come on. Up. 3, 4. Come on. 3, 4. Come on, fast. 3, 4. 3, 1, 4. Come on. 3, 4. Fast. Come on. Don't worry. Good. Vivek pura workshop ho gaya. Okay. Okay, this is one method. And you must get sweating. Okay? Once again. Yes. Come on, 1. 1. Come on, 2. 1. जोर से. So, here, in fact, breathing count is 2:1:2. That means 1 minute breathing is full breathing. Dekshitru 98 used to do breathing 1 minute. Means 60 seconds full breathing 1 minute. So we have to do 1 minute breathing. Okay, let's try. So go dead slow now. Yes, madam. Dead slow. Okay, jara garam kar rehna. Baba. Okay, dead slow. Breathe in. Dead slow. I said dead slow. Now you are kumbhaka. Okay, holding breath. Holding breath for seconds. Okay, come on. Breathe out slowly. This is a method. Alright? This is something like a volleyball, football. That's all. Volleyball, football. Very simple. Okay. Okay. Got it? Yeah, once again. Come on. Breathe in. Dead slow. Come on. Full force. Take full air. Full air. New Jersey. Pura. Vivek kuch bhi nahi rehna. Okay? Come on. Breathe out. Breathe out. Apply force on the abdomen. Very good. Very good. Very good. Come on. Breathe in. Breathe out. Very good. Nice. Come on. Breathe in. Breathe out. Very good. Very good. Come on. Yes. Breathe in. Now pick up the speed. Okay. Come on. Come on. Speed. Good. Pick up the speed. Come on. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Come on fast. 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 Fast. Nice. After this. Okay, after this. Come on fast. Come on. Come on. Come on. See, look at me. That's all. Complete. Yes. Complete. Come on. Very good. That's correct. That's correct. इधर बताओ जरा. जोर से बताओ. अब वीडियो है. See. Look at. See. Come on. Complete. Complete. 1. Come on. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then ऊपर से. Come on. Come on. 3, okay, 4, come on, 3, 4, come on, जोर से. Very good. Good, that's good. Very good. जोर से. Come on, fast. Right. Okay, next step, come on. All right. Once again, come on. Once again, come on. Breathe out. Breathe in. Come on. Hands together. Come on, down. Breathe out. Come on, breathe in. Complete breathing. Standing. Complete body breathing. Toe to hair. Come on, bend. Okay. Again, down. Up, left, right, back, again down, breathe out, touch the ground, again up, breathe in, Clouds must fall on the ground. Okay. Okay. Once again, let's see. Come on. But I say, yes, this looks very simple, but very tough. Looks very simple, very tough, I tell you. Okay. This is what we call mind breathing. Breath goes beyond lungs. Okay. Once again, come on. Yes. Any problem with this? Come on, move. Yes, twist at your own ease. Own ease. Right. Come on down, bend down. Bend down. Yes. Breathe in up. जोर से पूरा. Left. Right. Left. Right. Back. Okay. Let me see all together. Come on. Ha. Now when I say one, do that. Come on. Up. Come on. Come on. All together. Once again. All together. Once again, all together. Relax for a minute. Relax for a minute. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Please sit down.